Are you looking for a fun way to build logic and problem-solving skills? In today's video, we're taking a look at Antivirus Original by SmartGames, a puzzle game that Timberdoodle sent us to review. So what's included? It comes with a game board, 8 sliding puzzle pieces, and a challenge booklet with 60 challenges. They look so yummy, like they're candies, and also to me, they look like mixing well when you're doing watercolor painting. And they are made, the feel to it is like ceramic. Antivirus Original is a one-player puzzle game where the goal is to maneuver the colorful pieces around the board to free the red virus. The game uses a unique diagonal sliding tile mechanic, requiring you to think ahead and figure out how to move the pieces out of the way to create a path for the virus. There are 60 challenges and it's divided across 5 difficulty levels: starter, junior, expert, master, and wizard. So the puzzles become progressively more challenging as you work your way through the game. I think Antivirus Original would make a great addition to your homeschool, just like in ours, especially if you're looking for something that combines learning with hands-on play. It's a fun way for kids to work on logic, critical thinking, planning, and spatial reasoning while giving them something they can enjoy independently. Thank you to Timberdoodle for sending us Antivirus Original to review. As always, all opinions shared in this video are our own. If you would like to check out Antivirus Original for yourself, we'll have a link to the product in the description box down below. If you enjoy homeschool resources, educational games, hands-on learning, and product reviews, don't forget to like and subscribe. And see you next time. Bye!